Hello guys, welcome back to MKC Electronics, or welcome if you are new to the channel. Today we're gonna be changing this ceiling light to this Govee ceiling light, which have a multiple RGB zones. So we have a big area which will give you big white light, and you have a ring light which is RGB, and as well the flexibility to control that with your app, Alexa or Google Home. So without further ado, let's install. Alright guys, as always, don't forget to turn off your electrical breaker so you don't get electrocuted here. And here in UK the color coding is brown for life, blue or yellow and green for earth. Alright, it's in. Right, so after running like 10 times up and down, because the wiring in our ceiling was a little bit messed up, ta-da! There we go. So now what is left is to register it with our Govee app, and so we're gonna register this light in our Govee app, and that should be it. We click plus for add if you already have the Govee app. If no, then follow the description on this QR code, and it will guide you through the install. Right, so it did recognize our ceiling light, and we're gonna add it. You have to be connected to Bluetooth, and ceiling light, we can name it. So we're gonna name it voice room. Yeah, it will be voice room, and we're gonna connect that to our Wi-Fi.
2 hours later.
You need to go through the process to connect to your Wi-Fi so you can get this, and you can be changing lights. So as always, you have your color, scenes, illumination, music, and you can set up that light on work. So it will give you this cold light, or just illumination, our preset, relax, reading, and then is the fun stuff. It does even pick up on the sound, so you can play your music. Right, so that was Govee ceiling light. I installed in my son's room. I hope they will like it. Well, I'm pretty sure if that was my room, I would be enjoying and vibing to some music while that is flashing in colors. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!